Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best protein powders in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the performance and value of the leading protein powder that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these products to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder, Double Rich Chocolate, 5 pound. The packaging may vary, but the trusted quality remains the same. It's like receiving a surprise gift every time. This product boasts a gold standard 100% whey blend. With 24 g of protein from whey isolate, concentrate, and peptides, it's truly the gold standard of quality. It contains over 5 g of BCAAs. These naturally occurring amino acids help build lean and strong muscles. With 3-4 g carbs, 1-3 g sugar, and 1-1.5 g fat, it's gluten-free and has no sucralose in the double rich chocolate flavor. The powder is instantized for improved mixability. Say goodbye to lumps and clumps. In conclusion, this product is not only banned substance tested but also comes in 8 sizes. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder is a reliable choice for your fitness journey. Number 4. The Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed Protein Powder. This fruity pebbles flavor promises a delicious way to meet your protein needs. Firstly, it's scientifically formulated with fast-digesting hydrolyzed whey protein isolate. If you're aiming for muscle size and strength, this could be your perfect partner. Each serving gives you 25 grams of protein, including 5.5 grams of branched-chain amino acids and 2.6 grams of leucine. That's a powerful punch. This powder contains just 1 gram of fat and less than 1 gram of sugar per serving. It's a guilt-free choice for those watching their intake. It's easy on the stomach and gluten-free, with less than 0.5 g of lactose. Plus, it uses sweeteners like sucralose and steviol glycosides. Lastly, the packaging may vary, but the quality inside remains the same. In conclusion, the Dymatize ISO 100 is a high-quality, tasty, and easily digestible protein powder. It's a great choice for those serious about their fitness goals. Number 3. The Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder, Vanilla Bean Flavor. This protein powder boasts 21 g of organic plant-based protein and only 1 g of sugar per serving. It's a blend of organic peas, brown rice, and chia seeds. It's vegan, gluten-free, kosher, and made without soy ingredients. Plus, it's non-GMO and free from artificial colors, flavors, sweeteners, or preservatives. This product is certified USDA organic and plant-based, ensuring high-quality ingredients. You can mix this with any liquid or blend it into a shake or smoothie. You can even add it to overnight oats and baked goods for a protein boost. Whether you're maintaining a healthy lifestyle, working out, or looking for an on-the-go meal replacement, this protein powder is a great choice. In conclusion, the Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder is a versatile, high-quality protein source that caters to various dietary needs and lifestyles. Give it a try. Number 2. The Premier Protein Powder, Chocolate Milkshake. It's not just a protein powder, it's a ticket to a healthier lifestyle. First off, the taste. It's a smooth and creamy, rich chocolate-flavored shake. It's like having dessert without the guilt. This powder packs a punch with 30 g of protein per serving, all from whey. It's perfect for feeding your muscles and curbing your hunger. With 1 g of sugar, 3 g of carbs, and 150 calories, it's a guilt-free yum. Plus, it's low-fat, soy-free, and gluten-free. Each tub comes with 17 servings and a scoop. Just add water for a smooth, decadent, but easy post-workout recovery. You can mix, bake, blend this powder into your favorite smoothie, pancakes, muffins, cookies, donuts, brownies, or protein bars. It's incredibly versatile. In conclusion, the Premier Protein Powder Chocolate Milkshake is a fantastic choice for those looking for a tasty, nutritious, and versatile protein powder. Give it a try, and let us know what you think. Number 1. The delicious world of protein powders, specifically the Body Fortress 100% Whey in chocolate peanut butter flavor. First off, the packaging. It's got a fresh new look, but don't worry, it's the same great taste we all know and love. Each scoop packs a whopping 30 g of protein and 6 g of BCAAs, perfect for fueling those intense workouts and aiding in quick recovery. But it's not just about muscle. This protein powder is also packed with vitamins C and D and zinc, making it a great companion for your overall well-being. Whether you're post-workout or just need a snack, this protein powder is convenient and delicious. It blends smoothly into your shakes or smoothies. Lastly, you can adjust your servings based on your goals. 1 scoop for moderate goals, and 2 for those looking to really push their limits. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The Body Fortress 100% Whey Protein Powder is more than just a supplement, it's a game changer. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.